goes a little something like this. Fuck the police, coming straight out the underground. A young nigga got his bag cause I'm proud. And I'm the undercover, so police think they have the authority to kill a minority. Fuck that shit, cause
Hey, this is Crash. This is gonna be the do-it-yourself lockpicks. I'm gonna be showing you with some bobby pins, just normal bobby pins that pretty much steal from your girlfriend, or you just go buy them at the store. They're pretty cheap, actually. Also, I have here, it's a paper clip. You can use this as well if you want to. You just unfold it, and then the part that you unfolded, you actually fold back down to where there is no gap. Works alright, not exactly the best thing. It's cheap though. Another thing you can use, the clip on a pen. As you see here, this part, the cap actually comes off, and that metal piece comes out of there. I'll show you that again. Alright. As far as actual things to making these, you get some pliers, and you can either use wire strippers or just a razor, it doesn't matter. Probably use the razor. Alright, let's see here. First of all, you're going to want to bend this to about 90 degrees. There we go on that. You can see that. Next up, all you gotta do, that little rubber piece on the end, just cut it off. There we go. That is now off of there. Next up, the pliers. Alright, with the flat end, you're going to want to just bend that up. Just the tip. And at the same time, make sure it stays straight. So you just bend it back if it's not. Have a nice little angle there, as you can see. Also, it's not really mandatory, but I do it. Just cut majority of that stuff right there. Cut that off. There you go. Little pick tool. And as far as this one here, oh, that one broke. Anyways, you just bend that same as you did this one. Cut the little rubber piece off of there, and you can either use that or the paper clip or the pen clip for your tension wrench. Alright, that's how to make some homemade lockpicks out of bobby pins and other stuff. Alright, peace.